Garmin Express is an application designed to manage Garmin devices. It is used for device registration, map updates, software updates, syncing fitness data with Garmin Connect, and much more. System requirements. To install Garmin Express, you need OS by 10.11 or newer operating system, and may require up to 20 GB free disk space. Install. 1. Go to the Garmin Express webpage. 2. Click Download for Mac. 3. Open the downloaded file. 4. In the new window, double-click on the Install Garmin Express icon. 5. Click Continue. 6. Click Continue. 7. Click Continue. 8. Review the terms and conditions, then click Agree. 9. Click Install. 10. Enter your Mac username and password and click Install Software. 11. Once the installation is complete, select Close. Your Applications folder will automatically open. 12. If the Applications does not open automatically, double-click on the Garmin Express icon in the Applications folder. Now Garmin Express is installed and can be used for compatible Garmin devices. That's it. Thanks for watching.